everybody's happy. I've never seen so many happy people.
It's been a long time since there was a big RV show like this. So good morning. We're in our camping spot at the Hershey RV show. We didn't get in last night till, well, it's pretty close to midnight. Close enough to midnight to say midnight, right?
By the time we got to bed.
We're hearing all these stories about how crowded this Hershey show is, and it's a nightmare getting in. So we don't know what quite to expect this morning. So we're making breakfast. Jennifer has got some.
Well, normally I would make eggs and a nice breakfast, but we're trying to hurry, so we've got instant oatmeal.
Yeah. So
normally I don't make instant oatmeal.
Yeah. Instant
different.
will do. So we'll let you know. Off to Hershey and the RV show. We're at the Elizabethtown Hershey KOA in Pennsylvania. That's where we're staying, and it's jam-packed. We have it's no vacancies here. So we made a reservation about 2 months ago. So that's how far away for the Hershey show you have to make a reservation. All right, oatmeal time. What does that say? Hershey Park. If you ever wondered how all those RVs get their power, check this out. These are just generators after generators running in to the RVs. Once you arrive, expect about 10 minutes just to navigate all the different traffic lanes and get into the main parking lot. So this is what they warned us about.
How you doing?
A little bit of a line, a bit of a long line, isn't it?
A little bit.
Yeah. Something tells me I'm going the wrong way. Okay, so I sent Jennifer to get the back of the line, and I was shooting, and somehow I missed where she is. And I was going to call her, and I forgot my phone. So I have to go all the way back to the RV to get my phone. We're not off to a good start here. I found her. There she is. So I walked right past you.
I wouldn't doubt that. It's not like I'm standing out.
I shouldn't be admitting this, don't you think?
Something. You
Huh?
should be a what?
I said I shouldn't be admitting all this.
No. So you went right past me?
Yeah, I went all the way past you, and I had forgotten the phone. So I went to get the phone, and here we go. So.
There you go. Put two and two together, right? Yeah.
You know, usually we do these epic reviews of the RV show, but because we can actually maybe turn this video and release it on the day when the show is still on, so people could go see the video and go Saturday and Sunday. We're gonna kind of not make this a 30-40 minute video, but we'll just show you some of the highlights from the Hershey show, and we'll obviously be reporting more on our podcast later on. But the 2021 show is on, and let's just kind of give everybody a good taste of some of the new models and what we see.
And everybody's happy. I've never seen so many happy people.
It's been a long time since there was a big RV show like this. You know, there's so many things to see. We're never going to be able to get everything.
No.
But one of the hottest new Class Bs that we've seen is introduced by our friends at Pleasureway up in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. They are showing for the first time at the show a brand new 4x4 called the Recon.
And it truly is something that you can use in cold weather.
I mean, a 4-season Class B van. Let's introduce everybody to Marshall from Pleasureway and see if we can get a little quick tour of it.
All right, let's do it.
So.
Yeah, we have the new 4-wheel drive by Mercedes Sprinter. Pleasureway calls it the Recon 4x4. It's a beautiful 2-seat van with a rear Murphy bed setup. basically the walls fold up against the beds fold up against the walls to allow you to stack 124 cubic feet of storage in the back. So bicycles, skis, whatever you want to put in there for those people that are the adventurists, right? But yeah, you should come on inside, take a peek.
Now this is on the short wheel space.
That's correct. This is the 144-inch wheelbase, so this is the 2500 series Sprinter. And you'll see up front, instead of the front dinette like some of our competitors, we use the Lagoon-style table in the front.
Yep.
And it allowed us to push the bathroom forward a little bit so that we can make a much larger bed in the back.
Is this the bathroom?
This is the bathroom. All of our competitors are using, double beds in the rear, which make you crawl over each other to get in and out of the bed. By us pushing this forward and going to 6-foot beds in the back, you can now sleep like a queen or king, and you don't have to crawl over each other.
Now it looks like this bed does double duty for, this bathroom does double duty for a lot of stuff.
That is correct. It's a storage locker, it's a shower, it's a hanging closet, and obviously you have a 5-gallon cassette toilet in here.
And you just kind of move everything out of the way.
Yeah, if you're going to shower, these are very lightweight. They come out of the way here. Obviously, you'll see the shower head up above. Your hot water is run off a Truma AquaGo Plus water heating system, so you have on-demand hot water. And this van here is the only little 19-foot Sprinter 4-wheel drive with 40 gallons of heated water.
40 gallons?
That's correct. On our other products, we can't put 40 gallons of water because it's below the van. On this one, we built the water tank up above the floor, and then we ran a heat duct around the water tank so that people that go into the snow or cold temperatures, you can still use this van in freezing weathers now. This is a 4 seasons van. When there is a chain that is able to be placed from this little clip right here to this little clip, I can use this as a workstation next to my kitchen. So I can put an induction cooktop here, blender oven, toaster oven, blender, whatever you might want to utilize. Or I can work on my skis, my bikes, my brakes, whatever it is that I'm using inside the van
Or do
here.
a little remote work, put your laptops on there. And
That is correct. Then, in order to put this into a full-size bed, because you could use it as a twin or you could use it as the king, we have these really neat little locks that come into place right here. You just set one into the hole here, one into the hole there, and then this is going to obviously fold over the top. So I have 2 of these, front support, rear support, which are going to end up being the structure for the base of the bed. So when this comes down, once again, now this has a place to sit, and I can use this as a twin or I can use it as the king.
How important is that 4 season? This really is 4 season.
Yes. All of the water lines are inside the insulated van. The freshwater tank is inside the insulated van. For gray water, we did something a little different on this. Rather than mounting a gray water tank underneath the van, what we've done is we offer 2 5-gallon jerry cans that you can plug in for your gray water on the outside, so that when you're using your shower or using your sink, you now trap your gray water into the jerry cans and simply pour them down the wastegate.
This is a neat little sink right there.
And the refrigerator?
The refrigerator is a Truma
right
ice
here.
chest. Basically, you can use it as an ice chest if you just want to put ice in it and take it down to the beach, or you can plug it into the 12-volt power. It has its own built-in compressor, and on the side there are the controls here for you to control the temperature. So if you have the temperature above 33 degrees, it's a refrigerator. Below 32 degrees, it's a freezer. The goal was to allow people to bring the bikes, allow people to bring their skis, allow people to have 124 cubic feet of storage here, and being 6-foot beds versus a double bed.
And even with that raised floor.
Yeah, I'm 5'9.5", 5'10".
Yeah.
My hair's probably an inch tall, so.
But you look good. You look good.
Working on it. Yeah, right.
But you can still generate.
Who says that camping is new? This caught my eye. I wanted to check out the price, and lo and behold, it's a 1931 folding trailer.
Look at this. 1931 canvas. This is canvas in here.
A cozy home for 4.
For 4?
Yeah, 4. People
Wow.
get spoiled then by big beds.
Little folding tent. You can do your workstation if they worked remotely back then. Real mattresses. There's an old camp chair. Look at that.
Says that the Great Depression was in full force, and this made it very inexpensive to own a new camper.
Here's what you towed it with.
You know, with all the rain we've been having lately, this might be just a really good idea for all of us to have a boat on top.
Boy, the short Class Bs, that little 19-foot is really popular. This is a new one from Thor. What's it called?
Tranquility.
That's
I
kind of
need some tranquility.
Yeah, so this is their new Class B from Thor.
I think it's funny how everything gets bigger and then it goes back to being smaller. 19 feet seems to be the magic number.
All right, what do we got here?
It's like we've got a very comfortable sofa that'll make into a bed. Oh, it is nice and comfy. And we've got storage, television, the cooktop, 2 burners. We've got a sink.
So, you know, we've talked about small, but these small Class A's are also pretty popular. This Ace is a pretty good example. I really like this cabin up here. This thing actually pulls out and is an office. Nice big comfortable cabin. But that wouldn't work for us. That wouldn't work for us because you'd never drive this thing. Nice comfortable sofa here. I think that would make into a bed, don't you think?
I think so. I would expect this to make into a bed as well.
So this is the back bedroom, which is really nice. Dedicated king bed.
It looks
Come on,
like
you
a
gotta
king.
like that.
Well, it is nice. You've got some cupboards. You got a curtain if you need a little privacy. Got more room.
Oh my, it's a nice bathroom.
There's a charger right there, 12.6.
Sink. Stand-up shower, dedicated shower.
Now, something that I like, that I really like, that I have
These
missed,
things just went up
is
5% yesterday.
a real oven. I like a real oven.
More manufactured.
I don't like to microwave. I know I can use the convection oven, but a real oven appeals to me. We've got 3 burners.
Not quite yet. I'm overwhelmed.
Nice big fridge.
Nice big freezer.
I got the pole barn for the RV.
A nice big refrigerator.
So that small Class A is
Yeah.
really pretty big.
It's really very big. Too big for me.
Yeah?
We don't need all that space.
You wouldn't drive it?
No, there's no way I would drive that unless I had to.
Yeah. This thing is only 27 feet long.
It sure feels larger than that.
Yeah. And there's the price. One of the things about that 27-foot Ace, that is actually built on the small Class A chassis. Thor also makes a small Class A called the Vegas, which is right here, and it kind of looks about the same. But the difference is that is actually on a Class C chassis. So Class C chassis about the same size as the Class A chassis over there. It's a good distinctive.
Right now we're by the Winnebago Ekko. It's a Class C. Some people call it a B+, but it is extremely popular, and I think we need to look.
Yeah, well, what we're going to look at is they introduced a brand new one here. It is a pop-top model of the Ekko, and it's getting a lot of attention. This is pretty nice with this Ekko. It has this pass-through storage here, so you could get bikes in there, you could get kayak in there. And it's a nice floor. It's all easy to clean out. You just pull those trays off and wash it. Really nice, nice garage, and it has an option for an outdoor kitchen. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
And inside.
I'd be interested to see what the bunk looks like from the top.
So this is the back of the Ekko Pop Top. Really like this. See that? Nice little area where you can work. You got to see this bathroom.
All right, I I've
Come
been
here.
hearing about the bathroom.
Yeah. So, take a look at the bathroom. What strikes your mind? What do you notice?
There isn't a toilet.
Yes, there is.
Behind the curtain?
No, there's no
Where?
curtain.
Where's the bathroom?
See this thing right here? Pull that.
Pull that down.
Just pull it.
And now we have a bathroom.
Is that the coolest thing you've ever seen?
Yeah. That is nice. Very interesting.
Somebody
Yeah.
at Winnebago needs a gold star for inventing that.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Very cool. Some things don't change. The lines to get some food.
Yes, it smells good.
That smells good. This is the new play from Road Track, and I cannot believe how comfortable this is. This is like the first Road Track that we got with the same design, but man, this is a lot more comfortable than what we had.
Look at that. What does that mean? It's
I don't
foam.
know, but it's
like
it's
memory
comfy.
foam. or
It
something.
is
I don't know.
comfy.
There were a lot of people here.
And it's so much fun meeting the people who follow us. It's so
Yes.
encouraging to us, and
And they have
what
so
nice
much
people.
to teach, to teach us. So it was great to see an RV show back again.
Mm-hmm.
And the next big one like this is in Tampa in January. And many of them now starting around the country. So if you're shopping for an RV, a show like this is what you want to come to.
Definitely, more so than ever before.
All right. Hey, we got to edit this video so you can watch it in time. It's going to be like a midnight edit tonight.
Oh boy,
All right. We're Mike and Jennifer Wendland. Thank you guys for watching.
happy trails.